Hi, I'm back for another product review for you today. I bought a beautiful incense burner. I'm so excited. Let's go see what it looks like. I am unpacking it and showing it to you. It comes in a beautiful box. Look how beautiful. Amazing how beautiful it looks. Isn't it beautiful? And the bottom is like it's marble. And then it's taped on both sides, on this side and on that side. And it has some ribbons here. Let me show you. Let me show you. You can hold it on that later, I bet. Isn't it beautiful? I got my beautiful gold scissors here. I'll be cutting the tape and on the other side. And then we're gonna look inside. Actually, when I peel this off, it doesn't even break the box. There we go. I'll show you the lid again later. Let me show you. Come. Oh. I can't wait to burn my incense. It's for incense sticks and for cones. You get some incense with it. Look at this. I didn't even remember that it comes with it. And look at my little Chinese man. Look at that. Hold on just a second. These are big incense cones. I never had such big incense cones. Now, I like the incense sticks. They are my favorite. Well, the coils are great too. I finally found a coil holder, but as far as I remember, this one has a coil holder too. So it's for cones, sticks, and those spirals. Let's see what this is. Maybe a little figurine. Hold on, let me get my scissors. Hold on. There we go. Few little styrofoam pieces. Let's do it. There it is. Of course, you can use that as a storage box later on for the incense burner. Or if you always have your incense burner out, you can use this beautiful storage box. for something else. So I'll be burning one of my most favorite incense, frankincense. There's, I think, one stick left. No, there's more too. I've been burning it so much. So let's light it. Fisherman, here is your rod. Look at that. I guess this incense stick is a tiny little bit too long. I'll just take some of that wood off. Because it has to hold it, of course. Look. The fisherman is fishing. Yay! I'm so excited. Let's go and get the cones, okay? And this is for the coil. We set the coil in there. Now we're not gonna burn all of them. That's gonna be too much different incense. But let me show you again. Let's open the coil, not the coil, the incense. Cone! Silly me, how could I forget? That was really silly, wasn't it? So, I don't know. Is that how you light it? Oh, look. I have to hold it a little bit longer, I guess. There we go. Look at it. Can you see it? Let's set it up here. Oh, the smell of that one. Oh, it's a little bit uneven. It just... Oh, what a smell that is. I can't smell both of them. So... Oh, that almost smells like marijuana. I can't believe the smell of this. I'm going to take this one, undo this, but the fisherman can still have his fishing rod. Silly me. There you go. Ooh. Oh my God. Look at this. I wondered earlier. Oops. I'm gonna take this out so you can see it better. Oh, I wondered earlier how this would look like. First I thought you needed electricity with it for some reason. I don't know, I had forgotten. Oh my God. And does that smell like marijuana? I don't know what it smells like really, exactly what it really is. Ooh. Look at this, is so amazing. Good for your relaxation. Whoa. Do you put water in here? I think I'm going to put some water in there. Then I can put the incense stick in there to make it go out if I want to, and it will make it look right with the Fisherman. Just unbelievable. I've never seen anything like it. I haven't had an incense like this before, an incense burner. This is amazing. Let me turn it around for you. It's actually quite smoky. Let me find some Chinese erhu music for you. I'll be right back. My camera finally turned on. It is quite smoky, I would say. So it's nice to look at, but you have to go a little bit farther away. It is the kind of incense that it is. I have to figure out still what kind of incense this is. I bought some sandalwood incense, and that's a coil. I bought some coils. They smell really good. They're not so heavily perfumed like some of the incense I have been buying, some of the cheaper ones. It has a whole bunch of these coils in there, and this is all pure sandalwood. So I'm gonna try and see how to put this in there. I've always had a bit of trouble with the incense coils. So I'm gonna show you in a moment. Hold on, I'll show you. You see, I just set it in there like that. Let's see how that works. And you can tell the coil can't be much larger. Let me show you. We're all set, almost. Let's do that again. Show it to you again. It's almost done burning. So let's see how long it lasted altogether. Some of the coil fell off. I still have to learn how to put it on there correctly. The cone lasted approximately 20 minutes. And I love my sandalwood coil. It's burning. It's amazing. I guess maybe I did set it in there right. And I guess if you want to put water in and just burn your incense stick, you can do that too. You can use whatever incense you like, I guess. Well, I was kind of wondering if this incense cone would fall apart, but it didn't. And my incense coil, my sandalwood incense coil, is burning, and this is a 4-hour incense coil. I honestly like the smell of this one better, but I do love the ceramic incense burner, and of course the effect it had, like I showed you. Well, the box is certainly easy to carry. A nice gift for someone, I guess. If you have a restaurant, it will be interesting in the corner somewhere. Yay. Oh yeah, they have a hole through. Now that smells like sandalwood. If I smell on it like that. I didn't really smell that earlier. I don't know what it is exactly. Maybe something else. Look, there's a hole all the way through. Maybe that's what makes the smoke come down. Don't know exactly how it works, but I guess you need special cones like this when you use this ceramic incense burner to get that effect, I would think. But yeah, you get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 10 cones. Thank you for watching another product review from me today. My coil is still burning, and this is the incense cone up there, and I think it's done burning. Now, I said before it was a little bit uneven, so you can't really move it around while you burn it, but that's okay. Just keep something maybe under it so it doesn't catch on fire in case it does fall, which I don't think it will if you don't touch it or bump into it. So yeah, a nice ceramic incense burner. I love Fisherman, those Chinese fishermen. So, till next time, thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. Goodbye.